channel. I know it's been a while. I always say that. It just, you know, life. The summer is almost over, and this summer I have been tired. Anyways, this is my little thing I do to kind of just make my hair presentable when I'm trying to stretch out my wash days, or specifically when I'm on a trip and I need to stretch out my wash days and I can't necessarily put a scarf on because I have to go to work. Now, guys, I'm about to take this headscarf off, and I want y'all to know that this is going to be a very vulnerable moment because this is going to be the most busted I've ever looked on camera. Okay? And I love you guys, and I rock with y'all, and I want y'all to rock with me. But woo, this is gonna be an experience, so bear with me. Don't judge too harshly, okay? I am trying to grow it out, okay? Also, I'm not a professional, so here we go, y'all. Okay? Yes, I have just woken up, and this is what it looks like when I don't do anything in particular for waking up. So good morning. Now I always start, I shouldn't have touched it, but I start off when I touch it, when I'm gonna do something like this, by putting some oil on my hands. It can honestly be any kind of oil. This is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Castor Grapeseed Argan Coconut and Olive Oil. So just oils though, guys. Any kind of oils you use for your hair. My oil changes on a regular basis. This is something I grabbed. Anyways, I cover my hands in the oil and I just kind of put it in my hair, massage my scalp. I mean, that's really the most important. My little edges have been struggling, so I've been trying to take extra care of them. So it's really important that I keep it. Oh my God, it feels good too, guys. I keep it moisturized. After kind of oiling my scalp, then I lay my baby hair down. My baby hairs.
Oh yeah. Side chicks can't dance like this. Side niggas can't dance like this. No. Side niggas.
Okay, so now I use my little scarfy scarf, and I'm sorry it's dirty. This is really what I do, guys. every day. Not really every day, just the days that I have to refresh. I do think this is such a cute little style. I'm gonna have to do some more scarf videos. Okay, so what I do at this point is go ahead and do my makeup. While these get ready to rock. Yeah, all right. Be back at ya. Be right back. All right, guys. So now that my makeup is done, it's time to take this off. My baby hair should have definitely been laid long enough, and I kind of peel it off. Ta-da! Oh, they're a little inky, but close enough. Okay, now make sure your hands are clean. First off, after I do my makeup, I wash my hands real good because I don't want any product like that in my hair. Put some more oil on my hands. Oh, now it's just time to kind of fluff it out. I didn't touch it at all after that little massage. So really, at this point, all I'm doing is just shaping my hair to the desired shape. What works best for me is after I shape, I just condense it down, and then that's what really creates the shape. Not after you fluff, you condense it down. So try to fluff it out to the style you want. And lately with this little length of hair, what I have been doing is like creating a part right here. I don't know where my little comb is, so I'll use my little pick here. And what I like about curly hair is that it just kind of goes back to where it is. It's so funny. It like fights to be where it thinks it should be. I'm like, you on here. Also, I use this Mixed Chicks Slick Styling Tamer. Not necessarily for my edges, but just to kind of soften where the gorilla snot was, and then also to kind of, it makes it look a little sleeky on top of it. And then also make sure, since I do my makeup, before I start really getting into my hair, I just kind of make sure it's blended up here. So I just use my finger to blend it.
Can't step like this. Side niggas can't stand like this. Yeah.
You know what time it is.
Yeah. What you know about this before your time?
I'm gonna show the part a little bit more. Like I said, it does like to fight. Now, I know that you're like, why am I dry styling? But I just dry style for the shape. And once I get the desired shape, then I can add moisture to the look. But yeah, right now I'm just dry styling it to get it to be the desired look. Because once I wet it, I can't really touch it. I can manipulate the curls, but I can't manipulate the shape, or it'll just frizz up, if that makes sense. So yeah, I fluff it.
I used to two-step in the 019. I always been fine, this is not new wine. I just happen to find a way to live my whole life in my prime. Side niggas don't look this good, can't cook this good, can't fuck this good, can't get right. You send him to the store and forget that he left. You send me to the store, I come back with a chef. I'll come back out of breath, while your side nigga sitting at the club with a booty on his chin like a clef. I don't ever want.
Okay, so now that it is as close as I can get it to the desired shape, like I said, I just add moisture. And by adding moisture, I just need my handy dandy.
Two, that's the same as the next. I made the 3 more famous than Steph. No cap, that's a roundhouse kick to a Jameson's neck. I got a Jada Pinkett keeping sure my shame is in check. Cross-legged in the dojo.
I put a leave-in on top. This is the actual moisture part. And this is Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner by Uncle Funky's daughter. Like that. Uncle Funky's daughter. I got this product at BeautyCon. I went this past weekend courtesy of my amazing little sister who actually performed. Guys, I was so proud. She danced with Aaliyah Janae, a really dope choreographer who does like heels classes, guys. I mean, her legs are to die for. But anyways, while I was there, they gave out free product, and we got a lot of full-size products because we were in the VIP lounge, guys. It was an amazing experience, and now I can never go back as a general admission person again. Okay. But yeah, anyways, I just kind of put some of this on top, and as you can see, it's kind of like a little film, but my hair is going to just drink that up. So pretty much, I mean, this is how I refresh it. I'm not gonna lie to you. After this, I don't even touch my hair at all, because it's really soft. But that's why I styled it beforehand. This is the finished product after everything dries. This is how it looks, and as you can see, this is all I do to it. Absolutely nothing, guys. Hope you like this tutorial. Please like, thumbs up, subscribe, all the above. Thanks for coming to my channel, guys.
We can